my position. Tell me now, you know I'm bad at guessing.
Okay.
First? No. Second? No. So what did you get now? Fourth position.
God have mercy upon us.
Fourth position. Where is your cousin? She's coming. I was so happy that I forgot to wait for her. What happened? What is wrong? Who beat you? Somebody beat me. Show me that person. First position.
Huh?
I gave me second position.
Is that it? Is that it?
Don't worry, my dear.
You will beat that person next time.
Oh, thank you, Ma.
You want to show yourself at me?
You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're even proud of your fourth position. Go de buga. Go de buga now.
Let
You
the
go back
poor
to your father's house.
breathe.